I landed it. Okay, oh, Damon's calling. Hello?
Hey, wait. Did you possess someone with a better body than you?
I did. And I'm about to ride God's jet ski.
You don't think he's gonna be mad about that?
No. No way he's gonna be mad about that.
Isn't he omniscient and everything?
No, he don't care. Just don't tell him.
Oh.
But you got this. I don't care about your problems right now. I'm on vacation. Okay? Good luck. Goodbye. Oh, fuck.
Hello, folks. I am your host for the evening, Damon the Demon. Where is it at?
What at?
The skull.
This?
I mean, this isn't that the thing I told you to hand me when I first walked in? Idiot. Stupid. I can't get any help around here. Anyhow, tonight's play will be The Dummy. Can't believe she gave me this weird little doll. I know she's dying and everything, but God, I hate that thing. That thing is shit. I fucking hate the name Dick.
Hi, Dick.
Are you moving?
Maybe.
Am I having a psychotic break?
Maybe.
Did my grandma give me a possessed doll?
Maybe.
So what do you want?
I want you to kill your friend.
And why would I want to do that?
Because, Dick, I want you to kill your friend. If you don't, I'll kill you.
Well, first off, my name's Richard, and second off,
Dick.
Why would my grandma give me a possessed doll?
I don't know. Why not take it up with her?
She's such an old lady. I don't want to talk to her about it.
She probably has some
Okay,
interesting
I'll kill my
stories. That sounds good to me. Kill. Kill your best friend for the puppet, please.
Okay, don't break out in a song, otherwise I'm throwing you out. Who are you looking at?
No one.
Alright.
So, how's your grandma?
Well, she got diagnosed with leukemia.
Wow, that's kind of sad.
Yeah, so.
That's really sad.
Yeah.
Tell me something happy. Dick, what's the happy story?
I don't know. I don't really look at happy things. I'm more of a depressed guy.
That's kind of sad. I don't like sad.
I mean, I don't like possessed dolls, but I got you, so.
Of course you got me. I'm the best possessed doll there is. I was your grandma's lover for many years.
You know, I won't crash his car every time you mention it. How would that even work between you guys?
Well, let's just say I ain't only possessed without any good stuff.
That didn't even make any sense,
I
Grandma.
got a dick, bro. Dick. I have a dick.
Your body feels like it's made out of soft. Okay.
Don't question it. It grows in and out like a turtle.
Oh.
Yeah. Kind of a sad life for me. That's why I like happy things. I always got a stupid smile on my face.
I mean, it is pretty stupid, I agree.
You're not allowed to say that. That's only me.
Well, what are you gonna do? Kill me?
Yes.
I mean, then you wouldn't get my friend's death. So.
I kill both of you.
Well, then why don't you just do that?
I want you to kill him.
You make no sense.
You make no sense. You talking puppet makes sense?
I mean, I suppose you're right. I'm probably just going fucking crazy or something.
That could be a possibility. But who knows? All I know is that you need to kill your best friend or you will die.
How am I gonna die?
I will kill you.
Oh.
Yeah.
Alright, well, let's go then.
Alright. Right, where's your friend live?
Shit. I don't know, I have to text him.
Better figure it out fast, because I want to beat the shit out of you if you don't.
Well, you're not very nice.
No, I never said talking puppet had to be nice. Except for Pinocchio, but fuck Pinocchio.
But you're always smiling.
Because I'm cursed to always smile.
But you just said that you're always happy.
Said I like happy things. Don't say at all. You're pathetic. You're a loser.
Okay. Well,
You're a monster.
you're a monster.
You're psychotic.
Wait, so am I crazy?
No.
Did you just tell me I'm crazy?
Maybe.
Okay. I swear, if I'm crazy, I'm gonna be pissed. Alright, we're here.
Wait, don't forget me.
You mean you got out here by yourself, but you can't get in by yourself?
Nope, I can't.
Alright. Sorry about the red. I hit it a few times in there. Sorry about that. Oh shit. You don't have any penis. Okay. So, do you want to do the knocking or should I?
You can do it.
Oh, okay. Oh, hey.
Hey.
I was just you alright? You seem to be sweating.
Sleeping.
Oh,
Yeah.
I was came to show you my new doll.
Hey. Come on in, Dick. You close that door behind you? Or don't. Fucking dick. What's wrong with you? I haven't seen you in months and you show up at my doorstep? You hungry?
Yeah.
I'll make you something to eat, okay?
Okay.
So you hungry? Or like
Yeah.
like what? You want some ramen or something?
yeah. Can I have a fork, please?
Yeah, give me a second, okay?
Alright.
I'll get you a fork. Hey, catch the fork, okay? I'm gonna throw it to you while I'm cooking up the ramen.
Alright.
You didn't like that fork?
No.
I'll get you another one, don't worry.
Okay, thank you.
Hey, why did the TV turn on randomly? Why is it
I
on Baugh Films?
don't know. I don't know.
That channel sucks.
Yeah. Ugh, Ball Films. I don't know why he would turn this on.
Who turned this on?
Oh, God or some shit. I don't know who the fuck turned this on.
Yeah, this is like, why? All YouTubers, this is the worst one.
Dude, seriously. You know, he looks really familiar, but really fugly.
Yeah, like no bitches.
I can't
He's getting
pinball. No bitches.
No bitches.
No
At
bitches.
all. Yeah.
Look at the way he moves his lips. No bitches.
Yeah, definitely. Like,
Oh, yeah. Thank you, my
Yeah.
fork.
welcome in. ugliest motherfucker there is. I don't know who he looks like, but definitely.
Yeah, no, I have no fucking clue.
Oh! Another fork?
Uh,
You gotta need to eat off of that one that hits the ground.
yeah, sorry.
You know, Dick, like, why'd you disappear, man? Why? Why'd you have to disappear?
I don't know.
You know, like for fucking a year. Years, Dick.
I feel like something's bad's gonna happen.
Like what?
What happened to the doll that wasn't in the house? I looked all